How to become a VTuber. VTubers, or virtual YouTubers, are online entertainers who use digital avatars instead of showing their faces. They have been gaining popularity since 2017, engaging audiences through animated characters on platforms like YouTube. To start as a VTuber, you need a capable computer with high-speed internet, as performance is essential for streaming and content creation. A critical piece of equipment is a motion-tracking webcam, which captures your facial expressions and translates them to your avatar. These are available for under $100, with models like the Logitech Pro being popular choices. For those looking to enhance their VTuber persona, a VR rig can be added later to capture full-body movements, though it's not necessary initially. A basic VR headset can cost around $400. VTubing software is necessary for avatar motion capture and streaming. Programs like Wakaru and 3tin are available on both Windows and Mac, often requiring a purchase or subscription. Initial costs for VTubing can be a few $100s, covering a webcam and basic software to create and animate your 3D model. For those who want a unique avatar, software like Blender and Pixiv allow for detailed customization of models, though they may require a small monthly fee for full features. Alternatively, you can commission a custom avatar from skilled artists in the VTuber community, typically costing between $50 to $100. HoloLive, a prominent agency for VTubers, holds auditions periodically. Applicants must submit an introduction video and may undergo interviews to join. In addition to ad revenue, VTubers can earn through sponsorships, providing a potential source of income as their channel grows. Common questions about VTubing include overcoming technical challenges like webcam glare from glasses, which can be managed with proper lighting setup. Age restrictions for VTubers vary. While corporate sponsorships might require being over 18, many successful VTubers are younger. Starting as a VTuber doesn't require massive investment. Many start with minimal equipment and upgrade as their channel grows. For beginners, free tools like VTube Studio offer a no-cost entry point to VTubing, allowing the creation and animation of avatars without initial investment. Overall, becoming a VTuber is accessible to those with a passion for creating engaging digital content, with various tools and community support available to help you start your virtual journey.